Do you want to delete Meta AI from Instagram? You can delete Meta AI history on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete Meta AI from Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the messages screen. Here you will see all the recent chats made by you. Scroll down and find the Meta AI chat. Once you find it, long press on it. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select Delete to remove all conversations you had with Meta AI. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. The Meta AI chat and its history will now be removed from your Instagram messages. You will no longer see the conversation or be able to access previous interactions.